Today I'm going to show you guys how to go from this hair that I done partied in and sweated in and a bunch of other stuff to this gorgeous head of curls in 2 minutes, because let's be honest, who likes long tutorials? So you want to start on clean hair, obviously. So I'm going to shampoo and condition to get our hair prepped and ready to go. After rinsing out the conditioner, I'm going to section my hair into 4 sections, but you only need to secure 3 of those for obvious reasons. Wait. I feel the need to prepare you. This is going to go by so quick. We're already halfway through the video. So I need you guys to listen quickly and closely, because this is going to be the easiest tutorial you've ever watched. Okay, let's get it. Spray each section to re-wet it if necessary. Coat each section with your favorite oil. My hair happens to love jojoba oil. Next, you want to go in with a mousse. I'm using the LottaBody Milk and Honey Curl Defining Mousse. Next, I'm going to detangle each section, starting from the ends, working to the roots. Now, you want to make sure that each time you go in with the comb that you do pull your hair taut so it smooths out the curls. Now, what you cannot see is that I'm rolling an end paper around the perm rod. You know what? Can we get a different angle? That's better. I'm taking an end paper and I'm just going to wrap it around each perm rod to prevent breakage, which is a tip that I got from one of you guys. Then I'm going to wrap my ends around the perm rod and really smooth it out so I'm able to have a really smooth and shiny curl in the morning. Now when you're rolling it up, you want to make sure that you're pulling it really tight. Then once you get to the base of your head, give it a turn. And then you're going to take the rubber band that's attached to the perm rod and put that on the side that your hair is. If you don't do it that way, you do it the other way, then your roller will fall as opposed to remaining flush to your scalp. And repeat. Spray your section, add oil, add mousse. Detangle each section starting from the ends going to the root. Apply the perm rod really tight around the ends. Work it all the way up to the roots of your hair. Give it a twist and secure it. Now in the morning when you take them down, make sure you take them down in the direction of your curl. And if you get it right, show your excitement, girl. Now I'm going to coat my fingers in jojoba oil and just separate each curl. And then my favorite part, I'm going to take a pick and fluff out the roots to make it really big. And that's it. Thank you for watching.